In the figure, angle PQR equals to 100 degrees, where PQ and R are the points on the circle with center O. Find angle OPR. So first of all, so I think the figure was done in the previous lecture. Have you all done that? Okay. So this is given. PQR equals to 100 degrees. We need to find out this angle. આ એંગલ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો કયો OPR. OPR એંગલ ફાઇન્ડ કરો તો પહેલા એની માટે શું કરવું પડશે?
POR ફાઇન્ડ.
પહેલા છે ને આ એંગલ ફાઇન્ડ કરી લો. આના બેસિસ ઉપરથી આ એંગલ ફાઇન્ડ કરશો અને આ OPR ટ્રાયેંગલ ની અંદર એંગલ સમ પ્રોપર્ટી યુઝ કરીએ તો એ એંગલ મળી જશે. રાઈટ? ધેટ ઇઝ ઓકે હિયર PQR and S are concyclic points, and so quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, then opposite
angles are 180 degrees.
Opposite angles. The sum of the opposite angles is 180 degrees. So which will opposite? PQR and PSR. So we can write down angle PQR plus angle PSR is equals to 180 by
Theorem
10.11. Right? What is PQR? 100 degrees plus PSR is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle PSR is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which is equals to
80 degrees.
so angle PSR is equal to 80 degrees. So we got this angle as 80. Now if this is 80, then what will be angle POR?
160 degrees.
Therefore, angle POR equals to twice of angle PSR by
10.8.
10.8.
theorem number 10.8. Therefore, we can say that angle POR, that is twice of 80, which is equals to
160 degrees.
Therefore, angle POR is equals to 160
60 degrees.
degrees. Right? So this angle now is 160 degrees. Now you can say that in triangle POR, OP equals to OR because they are radius. Both of them are radii. राइट तो બંને ઇક્વલ છે જો આ બંને ઇક્વલ હોય તો એંગલ OPR is equals to angle ORP because
Radius. Theorem 10.8.
what is theorem 7.2?
Opposite angles to equal side of triangle are
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. એમાં એવું લખેલું છે angles opposite to equal sides in an isosceles triangle are equal. એટલે isosceles triangle થશે જો આ ટ્રાયેંગલ OPR ની અંદર કોઈ પણ બે સાઈડ ઇક્વલ હોય. સપોઝ આપણે એક રફલી એક ટ્રાયેંગલ ડ્રો કરી OPR. જો OP અને OR બંને ઇક્વલ એનો મતલબ શું થાય તો ટ્રાયેંગલ OPR is an isosceles triangle. If this is an isosceles triangle, then the angles opposite to this side, that means ORP is opposite to OP and OPR is opposite to OR. They will also be equal. So by that theorem, we can say that angle OPR is equals to angle ORP.
Yes.
Mark that as the first result. અને result number 1 mark કરી દો. Again in the same triangle POR. આ જ ટ્રાયેંગલ ની અંદર આપણે બીજું શું કરી શકાય તો કે એંગલ્સ ઓફ પ્રોપર્ટી કરી શકાય. POR plus OPR plus ORP is equals to 180 degrees by
ASP.
angle sum property of the triangle. What is POR?
160 degrees.
Sorry.
160 degrees.
What is OPR and ORP?
Equal.
Equal. So what do we require? OPR. So in place of ORP, can I replace OPR here?
Yes.
Therefore, 160 degrees plus OPR plus OPR is equals to 180 degrees by
1.
result number.
1.
What is OPR plus OPR?
2 angle of
2 angle OPR. And this 160 degree will go there. So 2 angle OPR is equals to 180 degree minus 160 degree. That is 20. So therefore 2 angle OPR is equals to 20 degrees and hence angle OPR is equals to
10 degrees.
10 degrees. So the angle that we required here is 10 degrees. You can check if this is 10, then what will be this?
10.
10 by this first one. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 160, that will be 180. And hence the ASP is proved for the triangle POR. So our required answer is angle OPR is equal to 10 degrees. Clear?
Yes.
So in this way we will find out the value of the required angle. Moving on to the fourth one. Again a figure is given and two of the angles are given. What is this?
B.
How can we find out?
Theorem 10.9.
What is theorem 10?
Angle subtended by segment I.
Is it so?
Angles lying on the same segment of the
Angles
subtended by
in the same segment of the circle are
equal.
so first of all, what do we require? Angle BAC.
Yes.
Can we get angle BAC?
Yes.
How?
By ASP.
By using ASP in triangle ABC.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equals to, what is angle ABC?
69.
69. ACB
31.
31. BAC, that is to be found out. Therefore 69 degrees plus 31 degrees plus angle BAC is equals to,
180 degrees.
therefore 100 plus BAC equals to,
180
and hence
degrees.
BAC equals to 180 minus, which is equals to 8 degrees. So we got BAC equals to 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So this angle is 80. If this angle is 80, then what will be this angle? 80. How? Okay, you can see that A and D are both lying in the same segment. Yes or no?
Yes.
So angles formed at those points by the endpoints of the chord will be same.
Yes.
So angles subtended by the chord in the same segment of the circle are equal. So angle BAC is equals to
180.
angle BDC is equals to angle BAC is equals to 80 degrees. And this gives us the required result. Reason being, angles lying in the same of the circle are equal. Right? Angles lying in the same segment of the circle are
Equal.
and hence this gives us the required result. Angle BDC is equals to 80 degrees. જે angle આપણે find કરવો છે એ find કરવું છે ને,
Yes.
that is it. Clear છે?
Yes.
એના પછી 5th point જોઈ લો. છેક સુધી આવ્યું છે.
ત્યાં સુધી આવે. સરી નથી આવતી. એનો નથી આવતો.
એની અંદર આવ્યું છે. we need to find out BAC, right? We need to find out BAC, angle find out. So as we did in the fourth one, we can do the same process in the third one.
Yes.
Sorry, fifth one, not third. First of all, we will find out this angle, CDB or CDE, and then angles lying in the same segment of the circle are equal. How can we find out D?
सर EC BEC 138 तो उसके बाजू वाला CED वो बाई LP हम कर सकते हैं.
Linear pair of angles.
फिर वो
You can
triangle
see that BD is a line or line segment, and this EC stands on that line segment.
Yes.
So the adjacent angles formed will be supplementary, 180. So let us write down here. Ray is stands on the line BD. There, angle BEC plus angle CED is equals to 180 by linear pair of angles. What is BEC? 130 degrees plus angle CED is equal to, therefore angle CED equals to 180 degrees minus 130 એટલે કે 150. Put the 151. So this angle is 50. Now in triangle EDC, open the triangle EDC, mark the words EDC. Can we apply the ASP?
Yes.
So angle E plus D plus C equals to 180.
Yes.
So 50 plus 20 plus D equals to 180. So angle D કેટલો મળશે?
110.
110. Okay. Now in triangle EDC, angle EDC plus angle CED plus angle ECD is equals to, because that holds for angle sum property. RD is a formal of that. મેં તે દિવસે ઓલા મેં એક બુકમાં જોયું, મેં બધે ડી લખ્યા હતા ને બધી જગ્યાએ ઓ લખ્યા. મેં કીધું ફિગરમાં ઓ ક્યાંથી ની મને બતાવો, મને કે સર ઓલો છે. હું બોલો ક્યાં છે? મેં કીધું તો ડી છે. મને એમ કે ઓ છે. એબીસી ઓ કોઈ એવું કોઈ એબીસી ઓ કે ઓ એબીસી બધું. ચલો ઈડીસી કેટલું છે?
Five.
ક્યાં છે? ક્યાં છે? ઈડીસી તો ફાઇન કરવાનું. કઈ પણ એંગલ EDC પ્લસ CED કેટલું છે? 50. ECD
20.
is equals to
180.
so therefore angle EDC plus 70 is equals to
180.
70 સામે જશે એટલે
Minus.
minus. Therefore angle EDC is equals to 180 degrees minus 70 એટલે કે 110 degrees. Okay, therefore angle EDC equals to આપણે 110 degrees મળ્યું. હવે આપણે શું જોઈએ છે? ફાઇન્ડ કરો. સોરી, જુઓ તો. Therefore angle BAC is equals to angle EDC is equals to 110 degrees. Again અહીંયા શું લખવાનું રીઝન? ઓકે, અહીંયા જે રીઝન લખ્યું એ સેમ રીઝન અહીંયા લખી નાખવાનું. Angles lying in the same segment of the circle are
Equal.
જો એંગલ A અને એંગલ D બંને ક્યાં છે? એક જ સેગમેન્ટમાં છે. મેજર સેગમેન્ટ કયો તો મેજર અને માઇનર કયો તો માઇનર. એટલે આ 110 ડિગ્રી હોય તો આ એંગલ પર કેટલો હોવો જોઈએ? 110 ડિગ્રી જ હોવો જોઈએ. વેરી ગુડ. ચલો EDC. Happy?
Yes.
Let us see the last one of this chapter. 6. Read out the question by yourself and drawing the figure here. This much is given. And one more thing, two of the angles are given. BBC. BBC. This is given as 70 degrees. And PAC. This is given as
30 degrees.
First of all, we need to find out BCD. And then, if AB equals to DC, then we need to find out the angle ECD. So we need to find out the total in the first case and then the second one. That means ECD in the second case. Let us go for the first one now. So first one માટે શું છે જો આવો આપણે એક સમ પહેલા પણ સોલ્વ કર્યો.
Yes.
This angle and this angle,
And this.
they are equal. Why?
And this angle.
They are the angles in the same segment of the circle and hence they will be equal.
Yes.
So if this is 70, then this is also going to be.
70.
What is the total angle? This total angle 70 plus 30, 100, right? So what will be this total angle?
80.
Why? Because it is a cyclic quadrilateral, hence the opposite angles
180
sum up to 180 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Therefore, let us write down here quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and given that angle EBC આપ્યું છે કે DBC આપ્યું છે? DBC આપ્યું છે. તો અહીંયા હું E કાઢીને D લખું. Right? And angle BAC equals to 30. Therefore, angle BAC is equals to angle DBC equals to angle 70. Why? Angles lying in the
Same
same
segment.
of the are equal. So this angle is 70 here, right? So let us box it. I think some of you are still writing. These instruments that are falling makes the sense that you are still writing. Yes or no? Yes. What are you doing? Nothing? Do something, man. I asked him what are you doing. He said nothing. So this is 70. Now I need the total angle first of all. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle DAC will make up angle BAD. Why? Because they are adjacent angles. These two are adjacent angles. So if I add these two angles, I'll get the total angle BAD or DAB.
Yes.
What is BAC?
30, 70, 30.
Sorry, 30. Given 30. What is DAC? 70. બધા 30 નો હોય. એકને 70 થવું પડશે. Therefore 30 degrees plus 70 degrees equals to angle BAD, and hence angle BAD equal to 100 degrees. If this is 100, then angle BAD plus angle BCD is equals to 180 degree. Because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles will add up to 180 degrees. So BAD plus BCD is equals to
180.
180. What is BAD?
100.
Plus BCD equals to
180.
therefore angle BCD equals to 180 degree minus 100. What is that?
80 degree.
That is equals to 80 degrees. તો આપણને ટોટલ એંગલ મળી ગયું 80. આપણું ફર્સ્ટ કામ પતી ગયું. હવે આની અંદરથી આપણે શું કરશું? પહેલા આટલો એંગલ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ. એ કેવી રીતના મળશે? તો એની માટે અહીંયાથી અલગ ટ્રાયેંગલ ડ્રો કરો. અહીંયા મેં રાઈટ એંગલ ક્યાંય લખ્યું જ નથી હજુ. એટલે ડોન્ટ ગો ફોર પાયથાગોરસ. A B C. Further it is said that AB equals to AC. એવું છે ને? Further, if AB equals to AC. So in this triangle, if AB equals to AC and BAC equals to 30, then what will be this angle? If this triangle has AB equals to AC, then will this triangle be an isosceles triangle?
Yes.
And if this is an isosceles triangle with two sides equal, then their angles opposite to these sides will also be equal.
Yes.
So if this angle is 30, then this angle has to be
30.
yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So let us write down. In triangle ABC, given that AB equals to BC, therefore angle BAC is equals to angle BCA. Why? What is theorem 7.2?
Angles opposite to
Very
equal
good.
sides.
Angles opposite to equal sides are. Who is this again? Who's please sanitizer? If I had done, please let me know. I'll ban it from tomorrow onwards. Will not be able to bring the sanitizers in the class from tomorrow onwards. I'm not allowed to use during the class. Please. ये ત્રણ સ્પેર માં લઈને આવ્યો એક લઈને બીજું બીજું લઈને ત્રીજું છે ને જો Okay. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So here PAC is equals to BCA. What is PAC? So what will be BCA?
30.
Therefore, angle BCA is going to be 30 degree. Here.
Yes.
Now, if this angle is 30 degree with the total angle 80, then what must be this angle?
60.
60 plus 30, 80.
50. 50.
So this angle must be. Let us write it down. How this angle becomes 50? Now, angle BCD is equals to angle BCA plus angle ACD. What do we require? ECD.
EC.
આપણે ACD નથી લખવું, ECD લખીશું. અને અહીંયા BCA ને BCE લખશું. તો આ BCA એ જ એંગલ BCE છે. બરાબર? જે એંગલ BCA છે એ જ એંગલ BCA, સોરી, હા, BCA અથવા તો BCE બંને સેમ જ એંગલ હશે. What is BCD?
80.
Very good. 80 degree plus, sorry, equals 30 degrees plus ECD. Therefore, 80 degrees minus 30 degrees equals to ECD, and hence angle ECD is equal to 50 degrees. And that is
And
done. The end of the chapter.
But